Fatigue, mood swings, and stubborn belly weight aren't just in your head. And it's not just aging. Most women never realize that this chronic stress is secretly sabotaging their hormones every single day. When your body is under constant stress, it produces too much cortisol. This is a hormone that keeps you on high alert. So high cortisol, it doesn't just make you feel anxious or tired. It actually throws off your estrogen, your progesterone, and your testosterone balance. And all of those can leave you feeling exhausted, moody, and gaining weight, especially around your midsection. So even if you sleep 8 hours a night, your body can still feel like it's running on empty. And that's because stress actually puts your hormone system into overdrive, which prevents it from functioning properly. So taking short walks, breathing exercises, or mindful techniques, these aren't just nice to do, they actually help to bring your cortisol down and give your hormones a chance to reset. Stress isn't just in your mind, it's actually silently sabotaging your hormones. So managing stress is the very first step towards restoring your energy, stabilizing your mood, and supporting your body to balance hormones naturally. You don't have to accept feeling exhausted and off balance as your normal. Your body can heal starting today. If you want to keep learning how to restore your energy, mood, and hormone balance naturally, just subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss the next video. And if you're ready to get to the root cause of your symptoms, feel free to schedule a free 15-minute complimentary consultation today. We'll actually create a personalized plan just for you.